Hi, this is Kelly with CNG Complete. This is a 2013 Nissan Altima. We've got a 7.5 gallon Type 2 tank in the trunk. Got it covered up here. Oh, sorry about that. But it fits pretty tight. And inside we've got the gauge here. And there, thanks. There it goes, just switched over. Everything's running super nice. And for underneath here, we went ahead and put a aftermarket air intake to be able to have the space we need here. Here's our computer, regulator, and the injectors you can't see. They're hiding back here underneath. So there's 2013 Nissan Altima. Oh yeah, sorry. We've got the fill valve right up here at the front. That's it. Thanks.